Was like sniffing it. No, don't sniff no roaches. Stuff smells bad. Once you take it out of the pack, you automatically can smell this mist of roach. It's this disgusting beat-ass shit. It just smells like roaches. So, how do you tell something is full of roaches? Well, for one, I've been moving this around me right now, and there's like roach shit already on my pants. So I wear some of the nastiest shit to my job, just because I know how nasty some of the stuff that comes into my place is. And we have this right here, and what you need to do is to look into the vents. So you need to like kind of zoom in nicely to try to see some facts. Some of the facts about roach infestations is literally seeing a roach hair with a dead roach on the side of the system right there, as you can see right there. That's a telltale sign. Like, oh my goodness, that's roach infested. If you have a roach that's dead like that, it's roach infested. You got some of the hairs right there. But then if you can see this right here, this is roach shit. It's not evident, and my camera is not picking it up, maybe because my lighting is terrible. Maybe I need to stand this way to grab that sun. But you see the other dots right there? You see those dots? Dots everywhere. That's automatically a telltale sign of roach infestation. But now there's another telltale sign. Opening this up. And I don't want to be opening this up with one hand because boom, automatically roach shit just started dropping on my leg. I usually open it up very far away from me, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing that. So let's put it on the fucking floor. And shit just falls out. You see those dots right there? You see that roach right there? This one is level maybe out of 10, level 6, level 7 roach infested. You got roaches coming out already without even opening up the stuff in the inside. If you see 2, that means there's 40 inside. The saying always goes, if you see 1 roach, there's 20 in the wall. If you see 2 roaches coming out of the PlayStation, like from the side right there, that's automatically 40 roaches that are gonna come out. And one like this, specifically like this, I will never touch. I'm not touching it. I mean, I did it for the sake of the video. Now I'm just like shaking the fucking roaches off my legs. But I did this just for the sake of the video. Just so you guys know what a roach is. I'm sick of being trolled today. Let's pick up something that's brand new. However, it has a hit right there from the post office. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Alright, so we got this thing over here. It looks like a Xbox One X, definitely. Or an Xbox One S. Let's see. Alright, I couldn't even record this properly. This whole thing is roach infested. All that shit that's on me right now is roach shit on my hands and everything. So now I have to go and clean up. This whole thing right here is full of roach shit. This is disgusting. This is kind of like one of those things that are level 8, 9, 10 roach infestation when all that shit pops out of that system. This one I will not open at all. I will not touch. You know, do not leave your house in that condition. It smells like roaches. It looks like roaches. All the roach shit came out. Don't do that. You know, don't.